Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to save viewers, photo and videos on WhatsApp. So if it's your first time coming across this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Let's get into the video. First, all you need to do, you need to go to the video you want to, the video or photo you want to save, the viewers sent to you that you want to save. You need to start your screen record before going to your WhatsApp. So you need to turn on your screen record here and go to the WhatsApp, then open up the chat of the person that sent you the viewers photo or video. Make sure you start the screenshot first before going to WhatsApp and the chat. So then you can actually open up the viewers and then you are going to go ahead and view the photo or video. You can now go ahead and screenshot it after you have saved the screen record. You can go ahead and screenshot if it's a photo and cut it out. So, or you're going to just cut out the side that you actually videoed. If it is a video, then that is it on how you can actually save viewers on WhatsApp. So if you found this video helpful, because you're considering this video, please just subscribe to this channel. Don't make myself sure you actually find anything difficult on this channel. I want to give you feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.